Good morning. My name is Jonathan Agudelo. I am from Kakesa, Cundinamarca. I am firefighter from the Kakesa Volunteer Firefighter Corps. I am also an electronic engineer apprentice. Today I am here to talk about the forest fires that occur in the Amazon and deforestation that the Amazon has been losing in recent years, Warsaw called the lawn of the world was affected by a large forest fire with affecting much of the fauna and flora was so strong that the firefighters feared for their life. This was attended by the firefighter of Brazil. All firefighters then support a rate of the other countries. To control of the great fire, deforestation and logging affects the Amazon as a great source of oxygen. Since the trees have been around for more years than we can think of the at the time of counting the down they cause problem for the fauna of the homeless. A fire force is caused by man to be able, able to expand in of some cases to prevent sticks. The communities that inhabit the place must be trained to do so prevent cutting down trees is complicated. Is so science countries of great power get involved. I cutting it down and grabbing allow it in the order the profits from money and without thinking about the futures. Thank you very much.